Today we are going to see a problem that I come across in the WordPress. So when I developing WordPress, I suddenly got this issue where all the list and all the icons seems to appear very big, and in the list we can see the dot in here. So we found a solution for that. If the problem is because there was a bug in the CSS loading in the Elementor. So the solution is go to this dashboard, Elementor dashboard, go to Elementor settings, and then go to advanced features, and then scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a thing called improved CSS loading. Make sure to make this inactive. Once you turn it as inactive, go and save changes. Now if you load the page, it's done, it's solved.